Hey guys, I'm very excited to share with you the launch of Droom Credit. It is India's first and only marketplace to get auto loan for used automobiles. With Droom Credit, we have built our own proprietary credit risk engine, which is algorithmic data science based ground up. What does it do to the borrower or lender is take a decision in 30 seconds, yes, no or maybe. Number two, we are leveraging India Stack. India Stack includes Aadhaar, e-signature and digital locker. We are using this to give you completely paperless experience, e-signature. Then we are also leveraging Aadhaar's technology for KYC purpose. So from the time you get a auto loan decision from a lender in shape of yes, no, maybe to actual credit terms, to entire workflow paper and e-signature, everything is fully automated, paperless. It's a very, very advanced 21st century style of lending the money or borrowing the money.
With Droom Credit, we are building a phenomenal product. Droom itself is a marketplace, and what we are trying to do here is we are building ecosystem services around it that will get the customer on a platform. Credit in itself is a paperless process that eases customers' pain. They don't have to go to any bank, they don't have to do any effort as such, and they can get the entire service through Droom Credit. It's a new generation system that I'm pretty sure both banks and customers will love.
In Droom Credit, we are using most advanced technologies and Indian stack like PAN, Aadhaar, Civil and digital locker, digital signature, etc., which will smooth the whole loan process for the user and it will create a very friendly user experience.
As we all know, in India, the process of loan application is a long, tedious process, including multiple visits to the banks and a huge amount of paperwork. So we at Droom thought of building a product which will solve this problem. Thus came in Droom Credit. Droom Credit is an online marketplace which is the most comprehensive, unbiased and independent way to provide instant loan approvals in affordable credit terms. It is 100% paperless and so a borrower can come in anywhere, anytime and apply for loans and get instant approvals.
For every new four-wheeler sold in India, 1.4 used four-wheelers are sold, and for every new two-wheeler sold in India, 1.8 used two-wheelers are sold. The used auto market is larger than the new auto market as of 2013, and we believe that these numbers by the year 2020 will be between 2.2 and 2.5. Droom Credit is really well positioned to capitalize on this opportunity. It's a huge market. From what we know of the auto loan industry so far, we believe that 55% of new cars are purchased with financing. This number is expected to grow to about 70 to 75% over the next 3 years. In the case of used four-wheelers or used cars, the number currently being financed are about 25%, and we expect this to double in the next 3 years. If you talk about two-wheelers, currently in the new two-wheeler space, roughly 30 to 32% are bought with auto loans in India today. We expect this number to be north of 50 in the next 3 years. And if you look at used two-wheelers, the current auto loan penetration is roughly 10%, and we expect this number to grow almost 3 times.
Almost everything that we buy today can be bought online, and cars and scooters and motorcycles too are being bought online today. So it was a matter of time before people could access almost instantaneous loans or finance options online, and that is where Droom has entered the picture today. With Droom, consumers can now pretty much access instantaneous loan approvals with almost no paperwork. And with the entire economy heading towards a cashless and a paperless future, well, this is a step in the right direction. And of course, for the consumer, it means a great deal of ease.
Droom Credit is a great initiative by guys at Droom. I would like to congratulate them. Through this initiative, the customers can now get loans in an easy and simpler manner. They can compare the loans available from banks and NBFCs across India with just a few clicks. Also, they can get insurance policies and great deals on this for the buying of their automobile.
In its latest path-breaking initiative, the company has launched Droom Credit, which will enable the customers to apply for auto loans instantly in the comfort of their home. The major benefits apart from instant decision within 30 seconds is the seamless and paperless process.
अभी रिसेंटली हमें पता चला है कि ड्रूम एक क्रेडिट स्टार्ट कर रहा है ड्रूम क्रेडिट के नाम से, जो हमारे को सेकंड हैंड कार्स का लोन प्रोवाइड कराएंगे कस्टमर्स के लिए। हमारी काफ़ी गाड़ियाँ डील्स में समटाइम प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है कि हम कस्टमर को लोन नहीं करा पाते, या बैंक्स की इतनी फॉर्मेलिटीज़ होती हैं जिस कारण कस्टमर थोड़ा ना मतलब भाग जाता है या परेशान हो जाता है उन पेपर वर्क से। और इनसे ये पता चल रहा है कि ये लोग बिना पेपर के, बिना हैसल के हमारे को फास्ट जल्दी काम करा के देंगे लोन का, जिससे हमारे कस्टमर सेटिस्फाइड रहेंगे और हमारे काम करने में बेनिफिट मिलेगा, और कम से कम पेपर के ज़रिए इनके थ्रू हमारे को बेनिफिट्स मिल सकते हैं। और डे बाई डे ड्रूम नई नई टेक्निक से अपने काम को बढ़ा रहा है, हमारे को बेनिफिट्स दे रहा है, जिससे हमारे को काफ़ी सपोर्ट मिल रही है सेकेंड कार की सेल परचेज करना।
सुनने में ऐसा आ रहा है कि ड्रूम जो है अपनी जो एक और हमें फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करने के लिए जा रहा है, और जिससे कि हमें लोन लेने में बहुत आसानी हो जाएगी। जितना हम कस्टमर से अपने पेपर वर्क करते हैं, और ड्रूम की जो हमें एश्योरेंस है कि वो कम से कम पेपरों में मैक्सिमम से लोन जो है हमारे कस्टमर्स को प्रोवाइड करेगा, जिससे उनको जो कम से कम समय में उनको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आपको लोन दिलाने की कोशिश करेगा। और ड्रूम ने ये जो सफ़र है आने वाले 1.5 सालों में ये सारी चीज़ों का कवर अप किया है। पहले इनिशियली वो लोग अपना इसमें पैसों के मामले में उन्होंने किया, उसके बाद उन्होंने OBB में किया, और फिर उसके बाद वैल्यूएशन किया। अब जो उन्होंने जो स्टेप सोचा है लोन के लिए, मेरे ख्याल में बड़ा अच्छा स्टेप है, जिससे आने वाले टाइम में वो अपने फाइनेंस से भी लोगों को काफ़ी मदद करेंगे, जिससे हमें अपने बिजनेस में काफ़ी हेल्प मिलेगी।